Handy Hudsonite here, bringing you tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. YouTube is a platform that is a lot like running a small business. In fact, it is a small business. And we've heard from many big creators that YouTube is a marathon and not a sprint, and that's very true. You have to be consistent and devoted, you have to be engaged, and you have to discover your audience and know exactly how to share content that your audience values. And I've been on here for several months now, and there's a lot that I've learned. And I saw a tweet recently from Sean Cannell that said that YouTube is easy, but it's not easy in order to grow on YouTube. I'm probably not saying that the way that he tweeted that out exactly. But it is true that you really need to have patience and diligence when it comes to building your content, building your channel. And it's going to take experimentation. Don't get caught into just doing things one way. Try to mix things up a little bit and see how people respond. And you have to keep in mind too that you need to make videos both for your niche audience and keeping in mind too that there's SEO. So there's people who are searching out key terms related to the content that you're sharing. And to give you an example, I have a particular video that I made way back in December of 2018 that focuses in on 14 power tips for using the Gmail inbox. And for whatever reason, Google has really picked this one up, and it's the one that brings me the most views and watch time on my channel. I did some good SEO research when it came to preparing that video, but there have been other videos I've put just as much time into. Why this one has more traction than any of my other videos, I just don't know, but it keeps getting suggested in YouTube. So that's one that really has been a great surprise to me, and I just watch the growth on it just continue. So don't give up, and keep in mind that the more videos you put up, the more likely it is that you're going to grow on YouTube, because you have more videos working for you in order to bringing and growing your exposure. So again, make sure to subscribe to the Handy Hudsonite here and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.